Okay, this is Kicker Jim here at Guaranty RV Super Centers. I've got an Elkridge E280 here to show you. It's 31 foot long and it has a gross vehicle weight of 10,000 pounds, so it isn't really heavy. So we can start out here and show you the underbelly storage here. We can put a generator in there if you need one of those, or just to have a lot of area for storage. Over here we have a propane tank. A pass-through storage with a little light here. We got a 110 outlet here. Nice big awning that comes out. Over here we have an outdoor sink and a refrigerator if you want to do some cooking out here. Back here there's a nice rack where you can put extra belongings and a nice storage area in here. This is a large area to put a bunch of extra things. You got your electric hook out here. You got a switch for your jacks to come down here. Over on this side we got a couple slides. Here we got an area to hook up your water and your 110 and your cable TV. You got an outdoor shower here with hot and cold water. Thing here for your hoses to come up right there. The other propane tank. Okay, coming in here. Got a nice sofa here that converts into a bed. Back here we have some bunk beds. If you don't have anybody sleep in the bunk beds, that's awesome storage available there. A nice television. Play a DVD there or play some music, internet music with that. That goes way back there. There's lots and lots of area right there for belongings. Under here, nice Dometic refrigerator and freezer, storage there. We got more up here, storage, microwave, hooded vent, 3 top burner stove. We got an oven, more storage, nice drawers, even storage out in here. Got some nice LED lighting there. Got a little dinette here where you can make into a bed as well. Up in this area we've got the thermostat. You just push the button to make it warmer or colder. Come into the bathroom. A nice large shower. Storage there. Open the door. We got some cupboard space there. A lot of wardroom area there. Storage up in this area. You got some nice drawers. Got 110 outlets on both sides. We've got storage. Got a place to put a lot of things back here. More storage. You got an air conditioner back here with some vents. Got an area for the television. We got a directional antenna. You can aim it around here for the best reception. Nice walk around bed. You can get to making it easy. You don't have to scoot in there. A lot of extra area there for belongings. More storage in this area. Again, this is Kicker Jim here at Guaranty. With this E280 Elkridge. If you've got any questions about this or any of the other inventory that we have here, you can give me a call. I'm here to kick those high prices out of here. Thank you for watching.